In this episode, I'd like to share a quick Moho tip with you. While working on our recent Moho skills tutorials, I found another useful selection script. This one can help us animate tails and other bone chains easier and faster. Hey, welcome back to Little Green Dog's animation tutorial series. Previously, in Moho Switch Layer Tips Part 2, I showed how to use the Shift-S shortcut to select a parent switch layer, and Shift-B to select a parent bone layer. Today, I'll show you how to use Shift-C to select the child bones in a bone selection. The version of Moho we'll be using is 14.3. Now, you may ask, what's so hard about selecting child bones? You just click and drag over them, right? Sure, but it can be awkward to select an entire bone chain when it overlaps other bones in the rig. For example, the bone chain for this tail overlaps the legs. Or in the case of this octopus, the bone chain for this arm overlaps the bone chains for the other arms. In the past, I dealt with this by placing the bone chain to the side of the character in frame 0, and then I used the Offset Bone tool to move them into position. This way, when I'm editing the keyframes for the entire bone chain together, I would use the Toggle Frame 0 button to jump to frame 0, select my bone chain, click the button again, and then edit the tail keyframes as a single keyframe. This setup worked well enough, but it was a lot of steps. And we can do better than that, right? Of course we can! We're Team Little Green Dog! Recently, I found a handy tool script called MR Select Child Bones, created by my friend Couscous in the Moho forums, also known as Mult Rush on YouTube. To use MR Select Child Bones, I select the first bone in the chain, click the tool icon, and Moho selects the complete bone chain. Then, I can edit the keyframe for the whole tail. No more need to shift-click and drag over a bunch of bones or leave the current frame. To make this even easier to use, I assigned the keyboard shortcut Shift-C for child bones. And it's not just for tails and long bone chains. The tool selects any bones parented to the selected bone. For example, if I select the head bone and press Shift-C, it selects the face bones. If I select the upper arm bone, it selects the rest of the arm. And if I select the character's root bone, then it pretty much selects everything, because everything is connected to the root bone. But wait, there's more! When we press Shift-C twice, MR Select Child Bones will also select any active target bone. To get the Select Child Bone script, visit mohoscripts.com and search for MR Select Child Bones. Or click the link in the video description below. And while you're there, check out the other scripts by Mult Rush. They're all thoughtfully designed for real-world production use, and I highly recommend them. To learn more about Mult Rush's scripts, visit his YouTube channel from the link in the description. And that's the end of my tale. Get it? The end of my... Oh wait, I used that joke last time, didn't I? I'm hearing music. You know what that means. But before you go, check this out. Want to download the Octopus rig seen in this tutorial? It's available on our Ko-fi page for the ridiculously low price of $3. Or become a supporter for $5 and download the Octopus and other Moho assets free for 3 months. And see your name in the credits of the next episode. New Moho files will be uploaded monthly. If you already support us, thank you. Supporters like you make these tutorials and cartoons possible.
He's not kidding.
Thanks for watching, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you soon.